Hey guys, and welcome to BenderTube, bite-sized tutorials and tech reviews that let you know whether you should get it or forget it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and click for notifications so you don't miss out on anything. So today we're talking about the new kid on the block, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This is actually my first drone, so hold on, I actually have to do something. Hold on. Now that's taken care of, let's talk about the Mavic 2. For the most part, it's like every other drone out there. It takes 4K video, it flies, and it has some intelligent flight modes to take some cool shots without actually having to do much yourself. The big difference here, though, is the sensors and the camera. Now, this drone has a ton of sensors. When you're using intelligent flight mode, you basically have 360-degree protection, meaning you're probably not going to run into anything. And in manual flight mode, you might lose those left and right sensors, but at least you know you're not going to back up into a tree or a bridge. The big picture here, though, is the camera. It has a 1-inch 5.5K resolution Hasselblad sensor built into it with adjustable aperture. Now, I know that seems really confusing and whatnot, but it all comes down to it's going to take really clear and vivid videos and pictures, even in lower light. The other part about this is kind of a hidden secret. The camera gimbal can actually go left and right without actually turning the drone itself, which can be totally useful in situations where you want to follow a subject from the side but still fly straight ahead. While I love this drone, there are still some gripes I have about it. One being the DJI Go 4 app, because it needs some bug fixes and some tweaks to features just to be able to work right. But I've had this drone for like 3-4 weeks now, and there's already been a few updates, so it's looking hopeful on that end. The other problem I have here is the landing gear. Just like the original Mavic Pro, it sits way too close to the ground. It really just needs like another inch or so. But as it is right now, you're going to put it in the middle of a field, start it up, and you're going to get a camera malfunction because your gimbal is stuck on a blade of grass. A blade of freaking grass. All it needed was an inch. No, instead you have to get extended landing gear or carry around a landing pad with you, or make sure you take off a flat, clean surface every time, which isn't always possible. While that can be remedied with accessories, this other one might be a deal breaker for a lot of people, and that's the price. It costs $1,450 for this thing. And that's just the drone itself. If you want the Fly More kit and DJI care, which trust me, you do, that's gonna run you just short of $1,900, $1,897 to be exact. So that being said, it's Guy-Fi time. That's get it or forget it. So right off the bat, if $2,000 seems like too much of an investment, forget it, it's not for you. And that's not an insult to you, that's a lot of money. And if you're someone who's gonna sit there and fly this 2 or 3 times a year, forget it, it's not worth your money. Right now, you could grab the Mavic Air and the Mavic Pro Fly More combos for half the price and still get great quality, just a few less features, and not quite an advanced sensor. Now, if you're serious, it is a solid device. I love it, despite having the landing gear. It's something I can get over. However, $2,000 is a lot of money, so try to save yourself some money where you can. There's educational discounts offered by DJI for students and teachers, even if you're not using it for school. And if you really can, try to wait like 8 months. The Mavic Air is 10% off right now, and it hasn't been out that long, so I'm pretty sure 8 months from now, you're gonna be able to get some kind of discount on the Mavic 2 Pro. Now, as always, I'm gonna have links down in the description below for everything I talked about today, and that's it for me today, guys. If you liked the video, found it helpful in any way, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.